Hey there, it's Chrissy Morales, and I'm so excited to show you beautiful property that we have listed for sale. I am standing in 211 University in Waxahachie. Now, this is an old girl built in the 1930s, and it sits in the heart of Waxahachie where everybody wants to be, close to everything. Downtown, shopping, restaurants, eating, gas, everything. So it's positioned in a great spot in Waxahachie. But look, if you're looking for Mayberry, kind of that whole picturesque, this is what 211 University is all about, honestly. I don't know if we're going to show you this, but we've got a huge front porch in the front here that these folks have loved and enjoyed. They sit out there every evening. They read. This is family time for them out there. So if you kind of like that kind of lifestyle, you definitely got to check out this house. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this. As you can see, beautiful house. This is a 3-bedroom. It has a study option that could be a 4th bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's about 2750 square feet, and it sits on about, I don't know, 0.35 of an acre. Price point, $329,900. Look, we are looking to move this beauty today. It has been totally remodeled. Everything has been done for you. It just got a new roof just a couple of weeks ago. Anyways, want to show you around this property. So let's take a look, shall we?